This is my backsplash that I finished grout, and you can see this is my kitchen here. And what I want to talk today is about this outlet here. This outlet really is this. Actually have a switch and you have a power. So what you have here, you have the power outlet and you have a switch here, okay? And it have to actually go back here to this hole. So I'm going to put it now. But the problem is that this switch and this outlet come with screw here. You see the screws? And these screws now are not going to be enough to go for this from here to here, because we have half an inch, a quarter of an inch of the mosaic, another quarter of an inch of the Hardy Baker. So this is not going to be enough. So I want to show you how I'm going to easily attach this outlet to the place where is the backsplash without any problem. So this is the screws here that I actually purchased. It's called 632 and 1/4 inch. So you buy these screws because these screws, the small, it's also 632, but it's 3/4 inch, and it's not going to be sufficient now when you actually add the backsplash. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just replacing them with the new screws. I'm going to put a screw. When I put the screw, you see that I put this one here, and then this actually protect the screw not failing. It will not fail. Okay, so now I have two screws here, and I have to do the same for this power outlet. So I finished one here, and I'm going to do the second one. So now we have two outlets with 632 screws, 1/4 inch instead of 3/4 inch, and I'm going to put them now here, as you can see here. So here is the two outlets, and you can see the screws here. Just taking driller to actually drill it, drill the switch to its position. Now I actually already did this power outlet, and now I'm going to install this cover. So here's the cover I'm going to put now. That's it.